So today I thought it would be fun to talk about a solution that I've discovered recently to repair flaws in fabric. What I realized is I have 72 colors in my Derwent watercolor which become permanent, and even if they fade a bit, it's better than what I had before. So I got some bleach stains on some cotton, and I realized it had ruined the top. And so I have a pair of jeans here which has a slight flaw in the fabric. So I'm going to see if we can show you this little mark here. Yeah, so you see how that's lighter there? So it always shows up as a flaw. But if I find a color that will match that, it will deepen it and make it less noticeable. So that's what I'm going to try to do now. Okay, so from my color palette I have lots of different dark blues and things, but I think it might be on the lower palette. Yes, that looks better. So, the problem with these is you have to look at the top, because the ink part is not obvious. So I'm going to try this on the inside and see what happens. So I've got some, just wet it on my tongue and then see what color it goes. And if I tried a bit here on, to me is pretty good. So I'll try one more here and see what happens to that if I dye it. So you see how it largely disappears, which is ultimately what I want. So that's probably the best color we're going to get. And you just wet it and then just do a little bit at a time, and it's instantly less noticeable if you have any flaws in the fabric. And denim is particularly prone as well, because of course it's got white woven into it. So if any of the white stick up, they become very, very noticeable. So we'll just, and the good news is, because I have plenty of this left over, if that fades after a few washes, which I don't believe it will, but if it does, I can just go back and do it again. It takes a few seconds, but ultimately what it means is I can fix any flaws and voila, magic. So I can just go along and do whatever's necessary to disguise any flaws that I've got in the fabric, any pulls or anything like that. Just go away. Very easy to do, very effective. Magic. Good. I'm very happy with that. Flaw fixed. Thank you, Derwent. So now when I go to put these on, I don't immediately say, oh, I've got a flaw there. And that's really kind of nice for me.